Hi, I'm Austin Warren. I work with Pipe Wrench Plumbing. I am a service tech. Been with the company going on 6 months now. So I've been in the trade about 8 years. I've worked for several companies out there, and Pipe Wrench by far is the best one. I think the main thing is the training. They show that they care. And they really are with you even when you're in your ups and your downs, and they really take the time to make sure you're giving it 100%, and absolutely love it. Yeah, so I just graduated high school. Didn't know if what to do after that. I kind of found college wasn't really for me. It was hard for me to sit still, so I just started working in the trades. And I finally got my Journeyman Plumber's license, and just found that I really enjoyed the hands-on work and meeting new people, seeing new places, get to drive all over Knoxville. Absolutely love it. So the thing I like most about the job is you see something new every day. I mean, you go to homes, people have different issues. Whether it's a leak in the wall, a clogged drain, you know, we see it all, and that's really been the most challenging part of the job. But just going through, figuring it out, using your training, meeting new people, places, seeing new things. And helping people with their plumbing issues, you know, that's my favorite part of the job. So another good thing about Pipe Wrench is the balanced work life. So when I'm not doing plumbing, I'm usually hiking with my wife, or we also like kayaking. I enjoy sports. We'll try to go to a Tennessee football game at least once a year, either football or basketball. We just got a Golden Doodle who's 10 months old, and he's a handful. So no kids yet, but whenever that happens, I'm sure that's going to be an adventure. So.